Welcome to IDB everybody, it is Andrew here. iOS 11.3 is inching closer and closer to release, with Beta 4 being released. On my iPhone 10 it comes in weighing at 381 megabytes, but that may vary depending on the device that you're rocking. The changes in this beta are pretty tiny, with the biggest change being the fact that iBooks has been renamed iBooks. In a previous beta, it was renamed to just Books because of a rumored new redesign that is on the way. There will be a complete overhaul of the app itself coming with that new name of just Books instead of iBooks, but it looks like that might be pushed just a little bit, so they've reverted the name back to iBooks, which is what it's really called publicly in any other form of iOS. I did notice that the performance on this beta is really getting fast. It feels a lot smoother, there's a lot less lag in accessing things than there was in the past. It definitely feels more polished. Geekbench Scores coming in at 4167 for the single and 10,163 for that multi-core. If we compare that to what we got on the last beta, it has some definite improvements, so not anything huge. You can see that multi-core has gone up a little bit, but the single core is pretty much the same. AirPlay 2, which was included in the original betas and was removed in beta 3, has still not returned. It is still not here. We're still left with no AirPlay 2, so it looks like that's definitely not going to be showing up here in iOS 11.3. Maybe we'll see it in, fingers crossed, iOS 11.4. Don't be too sad about AirPlay 2 being gone and iBooks not getting overhauled. There's still a ton of other changes coming in 11.3 very soon. Hopefully this spring is what Apple has promised everyone. All those changes include things like new Animojis, new features for the Health app, new messages in the cloud, and literally just so much more. So be sure to check on all the other IDB videos to see what happened in the previous betas and see what you're missing and what you can expect in iOS 11.3 when it releases publicly. What are you most excited for? And if you're on the beta, is there anything that you found that we missed? Let us know down below in the comments. Go ahead and subscribe, and until next time, this is Andrew for IDB.